The first step is putting beans all over your work of art. So if it's windy, the beans will keep it down, which is nice. And yes, they get everywhere, so we do have to like try to clean them up at the end of class as best we can. We always have two bins, one for the dirty beans and one for the clean ones. We can reuse them, so as long as they are dry, we're fine. What you have to do is you have to make sure all the beans are spaced out enough, like none of them are over top of each other. The only time you can kind of layer them on top of each other is on the eyes. So if you don't want to have any spray paint on the eyes, you can just kind of pile them up. That way none of the black spray paint shows up on your eye detail that you worked so hard on. Okay, so basically you will be putting the beans all over your work of art and then just kind of flattening out, making sure that there's just a tiny little space between them. If there's too much of a space between your beans, it's gonna be like a really big black area and it won't look as good. So make sure that they are very evenly spaced out. Yeah, okay. And you and your partner can kind of help each other put beans on each other's works of art and spread them out, because it does like take a while. And the old beans are in there, you can use those too. Almost done. You have to wait after you spray paint. You have to wait a good like 5-10 minutes for it to just set, like dry a little bit, before you pour the beans out into the dirty bean bin. So I'm not gonna wait the full time. We can maybe see what happens when you don't wait the full time. But yeah, 5 to 10 minutes we'll wait. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is spray paint. Where is it? Oh, make sure you get gloves. I don't have enough for everyone to have multiple pairs, so make sure you just use one pair each.
Do I need it on each hand? Or just one hand?
It will really stain your hands, guys, so you really want to make sure you use the gloves.
How do you get
Like,
on your hand?
it takes days to get spray paint out of your hands. It's really frustrating.
Back it.
Okay.
The camera, man.
Okay, guys, watch how I do it.
I can't.
Wait.
I hate being dirty, and if I get spray painted on, it's really open.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's not.
So, you
Oh,
want
it's
to make
gone.
sure...
It's gone.
When's
It's
going
gone.
What you're not doing is having it super close to the paper and like, you know, creating a huge puddle. You're doing it in tiny little strokes like this. You want to make sure you really get it nice and coated.
Beans should be black.
Yep. But again, don't hold it too close to it. Make sure you're far enough away. Okay, so this is the time you normally wait, 5 to 10 minutes. But since I don't want to wait that long, I'm going to kind of show you
Take it off.
how to pour it into this bin now. You definitely need a partner for this part.
I got it.
So your partner will kind of hold one side and you hold the other side. Okay,
Where am I grabbing it?
so you hold those two corners and I'll hold these two corners. And we're going to, as quick as we can, pour it into there. Okay, ready? Slowly. And 1, 2, 3, pour. Yay! Look at that! So cool.
See,
That looks good.
that looks amazing.
I know, right?
It's just a little.